Hi everyone, my plan for today is, well, making something out of these thingies. Every time I bought a canvas, I got some of those little thingies, and over the years I just threw them into this box and, well, kept them. But now I have an idea what I could make with those. I don't even know how to call them. Wood chips. So I'm taking some wood glue and then I'm pressing some of them together. Well, let's start. So, okay, I've lost all of my footage, so that's basically it. A little sperm whale, yeah, made of this stuff here. Glued, sawed and sanded. Put a little bit of beeswax, beeswax on it. And I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, well, like I said, sorry, but I've lost all of my video footage and I don't know why. Naja, okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.